Hey, what's up, Tech Fam? Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases of the year, the OnePlus 13. Now I know you guys have been asking for a breakdown of this beauty, and let me tell you, OnePlus has seriously outdone themselves this time. If you're looking to see what makes this phone a game changer, from a jaw-dropping new design to powerhouse performance and all the hidden extras that make the OnePlus 13 worth every penny, stick around, because I'm revealing every detail you need to know. Let's talk design first. OnePlus has gone all out with a bold new look this year. This isn't just another refresh, we're seeing premium materials, a sleeker profile, and honestly, it feels amazing in the hand. They've really nailed that high-end feel, and oh, did I mention it's more durable than ever? Yep, they've reinforced the frame, so no more worrying about accidental drops. And then we have this absolutely stunning display. OnePlus 13 comes with a 6.8-inch OLED panel with crazy good colors and a refresh rate that maxes out at 120 Hz. Scrolling, gaming, watching videos, it's all butter smooth. They've even tuned the brightness to adapt perfectly whether you're outside in the sun or chilling in a low-lit room. Now this is where things get real exciting, the performance. The OnePlus 13 is packing the new Snapdragon chip, and it's a beast. Multitasking, gaming, heavy apps, it handles everything without breaking a sweat. And with that 12 gigabytes of RAM, you can go hard without slowing down. OnePlus really wanted this to be a power user's dream phone, and it shows. Let's move to the cameras. OnePlus has gone all in this time. 50 megapixel main sensor, ultra-wide, telephoto, you name it, they've got it. And the results? Just wow. The low-light performance is killer, and photos look super natural with that extra bit of detail. Whether you're a pro or just snapping pics for the gram, you're going to love the quality. And no, you won't have to worry about running out of juice halfway through the day. With a beefy battery and OnePlus's signature super fast charging, you're back up to 100% in minutes. I mean, who has time to sit around waiting, right? And it doesn't stop there. We've got some cool new software tweaks, game modes, and customization options that make this phone feel like it's tailored to you. They've also ramped up privacy features so you can browse and scroll with peace of mind. So whether you're all about performance, camera quality, or just want a phone that can keep up with your life, the OnePlus 13 is definitely worth checking out. And hey, this is just the beginning. OnePlus has really raised the bar, and I think this might be their best phone yet. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our future tech dives. Let me know in the comments what feature you're most hyped about. Until next time, stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next video.